Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Ellen Sandra. In today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you my skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine. I've skipped the part where you have to wash your face and everything. And for my face I use my Gentle Magic soap. This is the soap that I use. It's from Gentle Magic. I also have it. Yeah, this is the soap that I use. I use my Gentle Magic soap, and then I just wipe my face to dry it. I then dry it. Now the first thing which I do is I go in with my Gentle Magic lotion, and I go in with some cotton. What I simply do is to just grab my Gentle Magic lotion. Oh, by the way, my whole skincare is based on my Gentle Magic products. That's what I'm now sticking to. Someone introduced me to Gentle Magic, and I've been skeptical about it. I felt like it will make your skin lighter in some way, but I was just thinking that for myself. First things first, I start with my eyes. I have dark circles, but you know, that's just how I am, and I really don't know how to get rid of them. I guess that it's hereditary. I noticed that my sister also has some. So yeah, it is what it is. So yes, I dab it in, and I also go over my neck, around my neck, and then my chin, right. I also take this wet cotton wool over my ears. You know how you put on your skincare, everything, and you forget your ears? In Indonesia, guys, about my ears. Forget about my ears. I don't know why, but it happened. And this also gives me an opportunity to clean my ears. If I got into the shower in the morning and I was rushing, you know, at this point in time I get an opportunity to just go through, just deal with my ears nicely while my whole face is drying. Now that is done, next thing which I go in with is my cream, my Gentle Magic cream. See, this is what I go in with. I just take a bit of it, put on my hand. I think that it's fun to just do your skincare like this, isn't it? Then I do this. There is nothing actually there's nothing so special about putting on your cream like this. It's just fun for me. It's just fun for me. That's why I do it this way. Then I just go in with my cream, and mind you, this cream makes your skin a bit dry. It makes your skin a bit dry. And what do? I also stretch the lotion, the cream. Sorry, I also stretch the cream to my ears so that my ears can have the same complexion with my face. Sometimes some people's complexion, besides genetics and all that, the complexion of their ears and their face is different, because we neglect our ears most of the times, and I don't know why. I've also been doing that, but after hearing someone address that issue, I repented. The next thing which I go into on my skin with is the serum. So this is the serum. So I go in with the serum, get some, just slather it on my hands. I don't put much because this one is a moisturizer. Then I just dab on my face like this. not forgetting my ears as well as my neck. Now you have to make sure that you also rub this in, just to ensure that everything just gets in there and it does what it's supposed to do. Yes guys, the serum moisturizes your skin, because after using your cream, your skin is going to feel a bit dry, or even more drier than you can ever imagine. But don't worry, get in with your serum next. Now the last thing which I then use is my Gentle Magic oil. Here we are. This is my oil, you guys. Now this oil is quite different from the oils that I know. It's like, it's you don't need much on your face, because even when you put it on your face, it's like watery. It's an oil, but it's like watery. But anyway, it works for me, so yeah. Yes, let's work that oil in on my eyes. And another place which we tend to leave out or neglect is our eyes, on this part of our faces, guys. Not having time to go over your eyelids, like so, to go over under your eyes, because some of you guys have swollen under eye skin, so sometimes this really helps. It's also relaxing and it's nice. Thank you so much guys for reaching the end of this video. Bye.